At first glance, these look handmade. Every stitch, every texture, every tiny detail. The surprising part? Most of the work can happen in minutes, and it all begins inside ChatGPT. You push ChatGPT to generate 15 different viral felt animal video ideas. Not random ideas, but scroll-stopping concepts built to grab attention instantly. From that list, one idea stands out. Take that chosen idea back into ChatGPT and push it further. Not just asking for a concept anymore, but a full breakdown, a detailed video prompt, a complete image prompt, every scene described in a way that an AI can visually understand it, from textures to lighting to movement. And suddenly, the idea stops being just an idea. It becomes something you can actually generate. Now go to Google Labs. The video prompt is added on top, and the still frame starts to move, slowly turning into a living felt world. Each scene is generated one by one, not as a full video at once, but as separate visual moments, different angles, different actions, different emotional beats. Once all scenes are ready, they are pulled into a simple editing setup.